Time and practice will make you a better trader. Right guys, in this short video, I want to talk about the importance of time and practice when it comes to your trading, okay? A lot of guys don't actually talk about this, when they're signing you up or when they're getting you involved into their trading course or their membership or their mentorship program, okay? And I think it's a very important factor that you need to understand in order to become successful in trading in the future, all right? You're not going to understand all the concepts of trading immediately. You're not going to understand all the strategies immediately. This takes time. In essence, you're looking at about at least 3 to 6 months after you did a proper course, okay? I'm not talking about teaching yourself, because if you teach yourself, you're going to take about 2 years, trust me, to realize that you need someone to guide you and someone to help you trade, okay? So you need to put in the time and practice after you did the course, especially with me, and I'm talking to my guys as well. You need the new guys that signed up. You need to face the fact that you need to put in the time and practice, okay? Think about it this way. When you started driving a car, for example, or riding a bike, okay? First of all, you had someone teach you how to drive, okay? Secondly, you needed time on the road to practice. And then thirdly, you became better at driving, so now you're confident driving, okay? And that took time. It didn't happen overnight. You didn't just get into the car and start driving. Same with riding a bike. You can't just pick up a bike when you're young, or if you don't know how to ride a bike, you can't just pick it up, get on it and start riding. You need someone to hold the saddle for you and guide you until you actually feeling comfortable and confident to ride that bike on your own, okay? You need to put in the time and practice, guys, because that's the only way that you will start seeing progress, okay? Because if you don't put in the hours, you're not going to get the results that you hope to achieve out of it, and you will get the results. You just need to practice. You just need to put in the time. Set yourself at least 2 to 3 hours a day on trading. If you're a full-time trader, or if you're looking to become a full-time trader, you're gonna have to sit at night between 9 and 12 when the markets close. So that's when you're gonna have to put in the time and practice to actually get somewhere, so that you can actually start seeing results. You're gonna start looking for certain criteria in the market to trade, testing it out and seeing if it works in your favor, and then tweaking it until you actually get it right if it's not working for you, all right? Because a lot of people think that, because they did a course last week, automatically they should be able to just do it, and that's really not how it works. Because as you know, the charts move at specific times of the day, and the market liquidity, the amount of money going into the market is not that much at certain times of the day, so there's not going to be much movement. But you can practice using backtesting, going back on your charts and actually going and looking for those particular scenarios that you're basically practicing on to see how it plays out into the future, all right? And that's how you can prepare yourself for future trades, by applying what you've learned in the past on the charts into the future, so that you can work it out and basically see the results that you hope to see, all right? Time and practice is very important. I can't stress this more, because this is the only thing that's going to distinguish you from your failure and your success in trading, all right? You need to put in the time. I don't know what your schedules are like. If you're a 9 to 5 person, spend some time at night, like 2 to 3 hours at least, before the markets close. Just see what happens between those hours. Who knows, you might even find a strategy that works for you, or a specific move in the market that works for you at night before the market closes. I found something, and I use that sometimes to my advantage. So maybe you'll find something as well. But that also depends on your approach to the markets, what you've learned, how you've learned to trade, okay? So you won't particularly just jump into the market and find certain things and you made some money now. And no, you're gonna have to apply that. If that worked for you that night, let's see if it works the next night, let's work in the next night and see if that works to your advantage, right? Same with guys trading if you're working during the day, you're gonna have to find a particular time during your lunch hour to analyze the charts and see how it's playing out to your advantage, if not, okay? So time and practice is all you need in this game, guys. Once you understand the foundations, once you understand the fundamentals, once you understand the critical elements that you need to apply in your trading towards becoming successful, then all you have to do is apply that and practice it and put in the time so that you can see it working in your favor. And once it becomes easy for you, once it becomes second nature to you, you can literally jump onto any chart and you can apply that same rule to the charts and see results from that. All right. So basically, guys, I can't stress this enough. I've been in the industry for like 6 years now, and I've had a hell of a lot of time to the charts. Okay, I've sacrificed a lot of my hours, a lot of going out weekends. I was just behind the charts, making sure that I understand what I'm looking at, making sure that things play out in my favor in the next week coming, and just testing it out, testing everything out to see how it actually gels into my strategy of trading and my approach to the markets. All right. So I would really suggest that if you have a solid foundation of trading, if you got a course that you did, whether it be with me or with someone else, you basically put that into practice as much as possible. I'm not going to be with you every single day. I'm not going to be with you when in front of the charts 24/7, but you can apply what I teach you. For example, you can apply that, and if it's not working, send me a screenshot or something. Take a picture or ask me to look at a particular chart. I'm open to that. It's not a problem. But you need to apply that and see it working for yourself. If it doesn't work for yourself, then we can work out a way to fix it and your approach, and we can see how that works for you. All right, guys. So that rounds up this video. I just wanted to share that information with you just to get it out there so that you can be motivated and just stay motivated and basically just look forward to the charts every time you get onto the trades. All right. Okay, guys, like, share, comment, and share the channel with your friends, family, or whoever that you think is getting involved in trading, and trade safe.